The poet, novelist, and critic Amari Baraka once wrote, "To go back in any historical line of black music leads us to religion, to spirit worship." This phenomenon is always at the root of black art. House music, rock, go-go, the blues, jazz, and hip-hop are just a few of the ingredients used in making a sonic brew, with notes of a past remembered and an undisrupted identity renewed. Pioneers like Sun Ra, George Clinton, Lee Scratch Perry, Alice Coltrane, Herbie Hancock, and Richmond's own James Plunky Branch were the embodiment of Afrofuturism before the term was created. Today, we're setting our sights on jazz and how the collision of technology, music, social consciousness, and African spiritualism burst open the door for a multi-genre approach to liberated black expression, sometimes known as Afrofuturism. I'm Kelly Lemon, and welcome to Sonic Threads.
African rhythm, make it like a